Hey there, Chris.
Hey there, Ryan.
Are you on vacation?
Still working.
Oh, I thought so.
No, working this week.
When is your vacation?
Next week actually starts.
That's really exciting news.
Yes, I can't wait.
Where are you going?
Going to the beach.
That sounds really wonderful.
Yes, I'm very excited.
How many days off?
10 days total, actually.
That's a nice break.
Yes, really needed it.
Are you traveling alone?
No, with my family.
That sounds really lovely.
Yes, we're all excited.
Do your kids like beaches?
Yes, they absolutely love it.
That's really great to hear.
Yes, they can't wait either.
Have you packed already?
Not yet, this weekend.
Better start soon then.
Yes, I know.
Are you renting a house?
Yes, right by the beach.
That sounds absolutely amazing.
Yes, we found great deal.
How long is the flight?
About 3 hours total?
Not too bad then.
No, quite manageable, actually.
Are you bringing sunscreen?
Yes, definitely bringing plenty.
Very smart thinking there.
Yes, sun can be strong.
Will you swim every day?
Yes, probably every single day.
That sounds so relaxing.
Yes, I really need it.
Are you bringing your laptop?
No, leaving it home completely.
Good. Real vacation then.
Yes, exactly what I need.
Will you check emails at all?
No, completely disconnecting this time.
That takes real discipline.
Yes, but very necessary too.
I wish I could disconnect.
You should try it sometime.
Yes, maybe my next vacation.
You definitely deserve a break.
Thank you. I really do.
When is your next vacation?
Not sure yet, honestly.
You should plan one soon.
Yes, you're absolutely right.
Life needs balance, you know?
Yes, I completely agree with that.
Work can wait sometimes, Ryan.
True. Very true indeed.
Take care of yourself too.
I will. Thank you, Chris.
Anytime. That's what friends do.
Will you visit any museums?
Maybe one or two, yes.
That sounds like a great mix.
Yes, beach and culture together.
Perfect vacation plan, honestly.
Yes, trying to balance everything.
Will you eat local food?
Yes, definitely trying everything there.
That's the best part, honestly.
Yes, food is very important.
What food are you excited about?
Fresh seafood, mostly actually.
That sounds absolutely delicious.
Yes, I can't wait for it.
Will you take many photos?
Yes, hundreds, probably, honestly.
That sounds about right.
Yes, want to remember everything.
Will you post them online?
Maybe a few, not all.
That sounds like a good balance.
Yes, want to stay present too.
Very wise thinking there, Chris.
Thank you, learned that recently.
Are you looking forward to rest?
Yes, more than anything else.
You deserve it completely, honestly.
Thank you, means a lot.
Will you read any books?
Yes, brought 3 books, actually.
That sounds really relaxing too.
Yes, perfect beach reading time.
What books did you bring?
Mostly fiction, some mystery novels.
I love mystery novels too.
We should share recommendations sometime.
Yes, I would really like that.
Great, let's do that soon.
Will you miss the office?
Honestly, probably not much.
That's completely understandable, Chris.
Yes, vacation is much better.
Will you come back refreshed?
Yes, hopefully very refreshed indeed.
That's the whole point, right?
Yes, exactly the entire point.
I'm really happy for you.
Thank you. That means a lot.
When exactly do you leave?
This Friday? Early morning flight?
That's coming up really fast.
Yes, I know. Very exciting.
Are you nervous about anything?
No, just excited mostly, honestly.
That's wonderful to hear, Chris.
Yes, feeling really good about it.
Will you send me a postcard?
Yes, definitely will send one.
I would really love that.
Consider it already done, Ryan.
Thank you. That's really sweet.
You're welcome, my friend.
Have an amazing vacation, Chris.
Thank you so much, Ryan.
You really deserve this break.
I appreciate you saying that.
Come back with great stories.
I definitely will, I promise.
I can't wait to hear them.
I'll tell you everything, Ryan.
Safe travels, my friend.
Thank you. Take care too.
I will, don't worry.
Good, that makes me happy.
Enjoy every single moment there.
I definitely will, I promise.
You've earned this completely, Chris.
Thank you, that means everything.
Are you excited for sunsets?
Yes, beach sunsets are beautiful.
That sounds truly magical, honestly.
Yes, can't wait to see them.
Will you go for walks?
Yes, every evening on beach.
That sounds really peaceful, Chris.
Yes, perfect way to relax.
Will you try water sports?
Maybe some snorkeling, actually.
That sounds like great fun.
Yes, really looking forward to it.
Are the kids excited too?
Yes, extremely excited, honestly.
That's so wonderful to hear.
Yes, whole family is thrilled.
Will you rent bikes there?
Yes, planning to rent some.
That sounds like great exercise.
Yes, fun way to explore.
Are hotels expensive there?
Not too bad, actually. Reasonable.
That's good to know, Chris.
Yes, found some great deals.
Will you visit local markets?
Yes, definitely want to explore.
That sounds like a great trip.
Yes, back to work now.
Only a few more days.
Yes, counting down already, honestly.
I bet you are, huh?
Yes, very excited, can't hide it.
That excitement is totally understandable.
Thank you for understanding, Ryan.
Anytime. That's what friends do.
Yes, exactly. Thank you again.
Good luck packing this weekend.
Thank you, we'll need it. Huh?
You'll do just fine, Chris.
I hope so. Thanks, Ryan.
Have a wonderful trip, friend.
Thank you so much, Ryan.
Have the best time ever.
Thank you, I definitely will.
Goodbye for now, friend.
Goodbye, Ryan. See you soon.